Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set your wallpaper back to the default on the iPhone 13 series. So here on my home screen you can see I have a wallpaper and this is the default wallpaper. So if you have ever changed to a different wallpaper and you want to set it back to the default wallpaper on the iPhone 13, this is what you have to do. First, go back to your home screen and tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on wallpaper. Next, tap on the wallpaper here. Tap on choose a new wallpaper. So tap on choose a new wallpaper and then tap on still. And the first picture in the stills list is the default wallpaper. So if you choose that one, that is the default wallpaper right there. So this is the previous default wallpaper this year. This one is the default wallpaper. So you tap on that and then you tap on set. So set on home screen or lock screen or both. And that's it. So that's how you can set a default wallpaper for your iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.